Okay. We are recording. You ate sandwich. Being a father, being a father is not easy. Ako pa talaga ang taga ano niyan. Taga-tie ng shoes. Oh my God. Yan, tayo ng shoes ng anak ko. Yan. Kasi hindi makayoko, laki ng tiyan. Double tie?
No.
Yan. Yan. It's not easy to be a father with this kind of daughter na have a big tummy.
I hate you.
Now we are here sa Cafe and Bistro sa ano to, Brown and Friends Cafe Bistro, Las Boeta, Macau. Is this an arcade? It's not an arcade, Syra. Oh. Oh, Syra, you want to sit down there? Picturean kita?
My hair.
Meron pang malaking ano, oh.
Bear.
Dito na tayo mag-picture. Balik tayo. Ayan, oh, may bear.
Later na lang.
Ikot na lang tayo. Oh, waffles, oh.
We have a ball pit.
You're too old for that.
Dito man.
Parang expensive naman ang ano dito. Ang ticket. Ito yung arcade nila dito. What? Yeah. Wait. Game rules. No, it's different, Sarah. This is not the ticketing area. I'm doing a ticketing area.
You also need a card.
It's rigged. Are they the same?
Ay, dito nga.
Yeah. I don't know if the same card yung natin. Ito yung mga ano nila games. Hindi ko alam to. Yeah, we can play. Hindi, ikot lang muna tayo para alam natin yung lalaroin natin. Ha? Oh, what's this? Buy muna kaming ticket. Yeah. Press mo. Huh? I'll do it. Ang sakit sa ganito. Ang sakit. I think that's it, right? Ang sakit. Sakit na ito.
Wait, hold.
Mananakit dibdib mo yan. Yan, naghanap-hanap pa kami ng mga malalaro dito. So far, yan pala yung mga nalalaro namin. So hanap pa kami ulit. Subukan ulit ni Syra ang claw machine. You want more? It's rigged. You know why it's rigged, Syra? Look at the ito makukuha mo to kasi may tatlo yung rubber nyo. It's rigged.
Look, tatay, oh.
What?
Ito.
I don't know how you play it.
We need to go around and try to, lift it. I'm gonna do this thing.
Oh. Here?
Ay, parang siyang i-lift mo ba?
Oh. I told you it's rigged. No more game yata. Wala na. Sabi sa inyo, rig yan rig. We're gonna play basketball. Okay na?
Video?
Easy. Did you press solo? So, play kami. Wala. Wala na shoot.
Galing ko ah.
Wala. Wala. We lost?
I don't know.
I think we lost. No more game? Oh, there's one more. Sarah. Wala.
Papo yung...
Only 2 games, right? Yeah, I think so. Oh, 3 more. Wow. Huh? I don't know. Wala tayo na shoot. Okay na. Remove it na, remove. I think no more. Huh? There's one more.
My hands are...
Ah, wala, no more. No more na. Yeah, I think it's no more. At least we have a lot of games, di ba?
Yeah.
Three games, sulit to. Sulit. No, sulit siya, no?
Yeah.
Kaya hanap pa kami ulit. Makukuha niya kaya o hindi? Hindi niya makukuha. Ay, nakuha niya! Nakuha.
Yay! It's badminton.
Yeah, ang galing naman nakakuha. Oh, so this one is not rigged, right? Tara. What did you get?
I got badminton.
What's up? Ay, kala ko ano na eh, kala ko hindi niya makukuha na na-champa pa. Ayos. Oh, another round, another round, another round. He's concentrating. She's thinking what's gonna be. What's gonna be? No.
Maganda yung small na ano, ganito.
Ah,
Kasi ano
Oh.
siya, matulis. And it will close lang.
at least nakachamba na siya ng isa. Masaya na siya nun. Kaya, sige, hanap pa kami ng mga games. Yan, itatry ni Syra yung ano, itong malaki. Saka sana makuha niya, no? Yan. I don't know how she will get it. It's rigged! Kasi mabigat yan eh.
This.
Wala lang, ano lang. Parang sa perya ba? Kung ano, yan. Hulog-hulog, ganon.
I wanna try again where I won.
Ha?
I wanna try the claw machine where I won.
Okay.
I wanna try to get the badminton racket.
Are you going to finish your money there? Okay. Let the battle begin. Okay, 1-0. Ah, 2-0. 3-0. 4-0. Cheating. 4-1. Ah. Ay! It's 6-1. No more. You want to play one more or no more? Huh? Okay. Game 2. Hey. Wow. 2-1. Wah, 2-2. Wah, 3-2. Yabang ah. 13 seconds left. 13 seconds left. I lost. I lost. Put it back. So, it's a tie, right?
Yeah, it's a tie.
Okay. It's not tie?
Yeah.
It's a tie.
I got 74 tickets.
What?
74.
74 more? Okay.
I have 74 tickets.
Okay. Matapos naming mabudol dito sa cafe and bistro. Ang bilis ng pero enjoy.
Enjoy, and I have 600.
Yeah, no, look, pa-show them na nakuha mo. This one? Ito nakuha mo sa claw machine, di ba?
And yung ano isa.
What's the other one?
And this one.
This one.
Badminton.
Yung nakuha niya, isang racket, isang badminton. So, additional for her decoration sa bag.
No, it's for someone.
Okay, so we're going stairs na. Saan na tayo punta?
I don't know. Eat.
Eat again? Okay. Mag-eat daw kami.
Eat again. I didn't eat lunch. Excuse me.
Sarah, we are recording. You ate sandwich. That's already lunch.
Can we check there?
Okay. Ayan. Masaya ang bata. Kasi madaming abubot. Ang gusto niya ay abubot at sinchan. Daming abubot. Nandito kami ngayon sa apple pie. So many abubot. Para siyang Pop Mart. May Pop Mart ba sa Pilipinas?
Yes.
Okay, this is another version siguro ng Pop Mart.
They have these. I want like this. It's so cute. Like that.
Mm.
You can get each.
Yan. Ito yung apple pie. Apple pie. Puro I don't know how many stuff that you need to put in your bag.
It's just unit of heating.
It's Abby.
Huh?
It's Abby.
Can we check there?
Yeah.
We need to line.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's it.
You want to picture here? We are here sitting kasi napagod ang aking anak.
I'm not
So-
tired.
So she's want to enjoy her, what's that? Waffle?
Waffle.
Sarap. Show it to them. This is the waffle. It's very famous in Macau and also in Davao.
Actually,
Which one is good?
yung sa Davao, hindi siya ganito, ano siya? Ganito pero may hotdog sa loob ng J-roll.
Oh, that's iba yun, hindi siya waffle. Ano siya?
Waffle daw.
Yeah. So this one is different. How does it ano lasa niya?
Waffle.
Waffle-y? Ano lasa niya?
Waffle.
Can I have one? So the half one talaga, ah. It's kind of good. It's a little bit toast and burned.
Eat this one.
Only half.
Oh, there's one more here. Get that all. I think that's the other half.
The other half.
It is the other half.
Yeah.
It's tag 30 pesos. Ay, per pesos.
MOP.
MOP.
We're just here, relax. Then I don't know where is the next
Filled with
COD, and what are we going to expect in COD?
a lot of people.
Yeah, probably.
I think because sabi ni nanay there's a new frozen now. And it's free.
Oh, so kung saan libre doon tayo. Basta libre? Sige. Okay, baby, pag chillax lang kami dito for a while, then we go na sa COD.
Bye guys!